lineup?
I have rhythm lineup.
How much? You have them in like numbers and them something?
Well, what we got is a degree of difficulty.
Oh my God, people that's viewing, stay with me. Shawnee B said music is difficult. Shawnee B, tell the girl then. Hello baby, can you come over? Right now loneliness taking over. Me need you tonight, I'm a lover. Come warm me up under the cover. Make her rock till the lampshade turn over. Earth's head check on my shoulder. I make her listen to some Anita Baker. I make her love till we wake up the neighbor. Girls, you're all I need, and I'm always missing you, miss you.
You're bad enough. You're bad enough. The man tell out the change of the key up there, you're bad enough. Me see what I got, you know. All right, rhythm number 2. Yo, rhythm number 2. Hey, what up the line?
What's that, man? Shawnee B. One extra. Personally, professionally, girls love me unconditionally. The prettiest girls like a Barbie dolly. Now go tongue power like Muhammad doll. Testing 1 3, me test basically. Weed legalize, so me blaze the cali. Sell platinum, me soon get the gummy. Man, I got this and this is my testimony. Just to a France, now me gone Italy. Originally, me set it lyrically, bitterly. When me step in at the place, while the fans want see me. WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, follow back on me. Yeah, watch out for this man, a bedroom bully. And you know, say the thing them no ordinary. She a scrabble for the words in my dictionary. Why no card that one exceptionally? Yeah. You wanna roll with the big boys? Shawnee B, we are the big boys. One extra, we are the big boys. Hey, brr.
Okay.
How difficult? Now I wanna know what really.
Just degrees of difficulty.
Whoa. Yeah. See, sit there. Big up Bob to kill me here. One girl from Vanna sitting there for killer today. Guess what, go on? Hey. Let me girl them there. When me girl them there. When me girl, hey, Shawnee B more and I already after I finish too now. Good, hey. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl picking it. I born as a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, girl a wine up for me bully. Real top girl is man a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully for the girl picking it. Hey, I born as a bedroom bully. Shawnee B tell her you a bedroom bully. So, wine and cock up, girl wine and cock up. Inna the bedroom, girl a wine and cock up. This man a wanna call your bone no crack up. Foot right, the soul if it up and catch. Waistline tell time when you tick and tack up. Style you no shorter cause enough you have up. Love how you're sexy, you're round and fat up. Have you on my base on the whole place, my shot. Where go on?
Still easy, still easy, still easy.
Hey!
Still easy.
Yo!
To the islands.
Yo!
There's something for Trinidad and Barbados.
Trinidad! Alright then. Touch road, touch the road. Touch road, touch the road. Touch road, touch the road. Hey, Bungie Garden go touch the road. Yes, touch road, touch the road. Marshall, touch road, touch the road. Hey, touch road, touch the road. Hey, yeah, me. Alright, wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the truck. Hey, Trinidad, you know the thing them work. Wave it behind the truck, wave it behind the. Tell them straight up, and the girl them me love. Tell them it's not them me nah go put above. Girl them, hey, they fly and they touch on the thing and them fly off just like a dove. In a one extra with there. Girl them say they love it extra we say. Tell them a straight say Shawnee B say fi come represent freestyle. Alright then tell them this, me nah go miss. And the girl them love it when me turn and twist. And inna them belly and whole night straight me know. Alright then, man nah hype up, man nah floor. Them fi know such. Where there?
Still easy, man.
Where there?
Alright, I'm gonna bring it to my place now.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring it to the 90s.
Okay.
UK now.
Okay then.
Degrees of difficulty, fam.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
You just take a flight, come on England
BBC
now.
Radio, one extra.
You just fly, come on England. Jesus, take your time now. Take your time now.
Man. I have to put it. I want you to listen keenly. Level it. And Shawnee, so when I start DJ, don't get a DJ more, you give some mix. Like this. Juvenile not take none talking abroad there like them walk for the gun, skylark for the gun, sit down pass side back for the gun, serious now laugh for the gun, some boy go down with the gun when kingfish come. Don't follow me run with the gun, them flex with the gun, take friends with the gun, talk about self, defense with the gun, say not itch with the gun, I kill forget switch with the gun, from friends them switch with the gun, never them bad man, both them a bad man, like till them a stitch with the gun, boy start from full of the gun, shoot for school with the gun, now go buy no wood with the thief a trade man tool with the gun, them just shoot mad man, them loot and shoot cast fight and a rape with the gun, beat them a jape with the gun, roll out till the tape is like the police. them leg can gun escape with the gun. Work them same bad with the gun. Chain and purse and bag, him a grab with it. Some of them gone mad with the gun. If them coulda, them woulda shoot God with the gun. But say nah miss with the gun. Mother want him teeth him a kiss. Now take this with the gun, but everything twist with the gun. 6'6" up like chips with the gun. But try them and hate with the gun. Intimidate with the gun. Juvenile with them hate with the food. Down look food and never same grace. No boy get serious with the gun. Say in a big ghetto yeah. One extra we echo yeah. We be see ya
Oh my days. It's festival season right now in the UK. Festival Glastonbury this weekend. Turn it up in the mud.
Tip on your toe. Hey, see me girl tip on your toe. Ain't gonna leave you tip on your toe, girl. Well, y'all a ball. Cock it up, quint it on me, baby. Hold me tight and show me say it there. Give me that sexy look, never there. Eyes up, bracy and pan the wall. And me say, stop it, nice. And me yes, stop it, nice. And me, I'm gonna do Shakira White. Hey, yes, me walk, girl, make them some mama. Girl a ball for your mama. She just says she want the third round. Wine and then your brace round. Yes, like a mama.
Yes. Lunatic on the IG live. Jesus, what I know? Hey, I'm gonna have to find more rhythms. Lunatic said that was easy. Nirvana was easy. He said that was easy.
Who said that was easy?
Lunatic on the live. He said it was easy.
Big up Lunatic.
He said it was easy.
He said it was easy.
Earlier on in the interview, you said you would spit on anything.
Yeah.
And you used a genre that started with the word C. I'll give you a moment.
What you try to do?
Beethoven, Moonlight Sonata. Your bud?
Busy this. BBC radio. One extra. Yeah, me tell them same so. Represent them genre, yeah. This is a test. But I guess, yeah. These are the flipping days. Y'all let me know them teens of the flipping days. Touch the street with a flipping case. I'm not gonna left it. Just in case, just in case, just in case. These are the flipping times. Johnny B, we touch the road and see the signs.
Trouble.
Signal they are to the thing design. Beethoven. It's like me deal with the rhythm of contract killing and I see this crime. Ready upon the militancy. Busy signal instantly. Damaging the rhythm permanently. Keep it down and down predominantly. Touch it straight. Keep it straight. It's like a big Sean B dub plate. There was a moment right there.
I feel like I needed a blazer with a long tail and everything.
Yeah,
star. There should have been a guy in there.
And a conductor.
A conduct, everything. My word.
Yo, because everybody want view. This is crazy.
This is one for the books, Busy.
Yo, brother. Hey, Shawnee. All what y'all play here. But you see that one that surprised.
That was trouble. Well, tonight you showed that. Listen, Busy.
Yo.
Thank you very much for passing through. BBC
No.
Is what? No.
Me want to choose rhythm too.
Jesus.
How are this? Same man just gone. Hey, brother. You're all for yourself, brother. You're all for yourself. You're not putting on a rhythm round it. You're not putting on a rhythm round it.
Wala. Busy. This is what Busy does. He gets trouble.
Yeah, man.
Here's the rhythm for you. I'm gonna find Slim Thing and what else you want after this?
Yo.
Trouble.
A mad thing, brother. So see now, the man just want to choose with him for himself. All viewers. Hey, extraterrestrial. The place like festival. Them grades are high cholesterol. You get the point? Decimal. No boy can text me, girl, impress me, girl, fist me, girl. Them say me unethical because them know me skeptical. Systematical, me sit down a whole med sabbatical. Chill out in a Seychelles, East Africa, we tropical. Some of them claim them big, me can't even see them microscopical. Semi-automatic when me clap it automatically radical. They can return like the prodigal. Abracadabra, you disappear and that's magical. Magical? Yes, that's tragical. Man, no fit trace, we no vaginal. Deal with them tactical, that's practical. Unattractive, hyperactive machine when me use. Make the damage get collateral. See me there? Tags them article. Stepping out the city with the particle. Hey, BBC One Extra. Them no know we, them no know we. Oi, Shawnee B, tell them no know we.